This here is probably the largest parcel I ever got sent. This is the DouxLife RC05 gaming chair, and I will do an unboxing and review. So let's get started. That the chair ships with, and yeah, I will build it right now. I don't show you the process of building because there's a nice video by DouxLife already that will show you how to build this chair. So with the magic of camera editing, I will show you and present to you now the final chair. And here we have it, the DouxLife gaming chair. As you can see, fully built, with nice kind of logo, and this nice cushion there for the head, and here for the back as well. And this even has a massage function. This is why there's a USB cable hanging out there. But I will show you everything in a little bit more detail, so let's check it out. But first, after building it for 45 minutes, which it took me to build it, I want to rest a bit. Maybe not so down, a bit up there. I want to rest a bit, and there are like the two possibilities to rest. Let me get this and then get the rest position. This is already very comfortable, but I need something for my legs, and for this we have also a cushion here that can be for my legs, and I would say wake me up in a few hours. They're using high quality material with nice stitching almost everywhere. All these little details there. Very nice. No fault at all on this one. Very cushioning and comfortable to sit on here. And this is definitely a premium gaming chair. So let's check out in detail what we have here. First of all, we have a nice logo here. It's very cushioning here, and this is where your head or your neck will rest, which is like the ideal position for my height. And this is like a little pillow that you can just simply take off if you don't need it, as you see here. So this is just like attached here. Even you can exchange it to another pillow, like a bigger pillow if you need it, or something like this. Then we have the sides here that are like a racing chair. Like to the sides you get a lot of like protection there as well, and you don't get out of your chair. Then we have the armrests here on the side. As you can see, a very nice cushioning material as well. It's very soft as well, feels very premium here, and looks also pretty nice. I have the gray version, there's a red version as well available, and I think there's a white version as well. You can see that the armrest itself, the rest is made out of plastic, but this has a reason, because it has to be a bit flexible. You can see here, when I go down, this one here will completely move together with the back, and then the arm rests are still available there on the back. So very clever mechanism that we have here that will work for this. And we have this holes here to give us a little bit of ventilation. On the back we don't have anything there fancy, and we just have a side pocket here. So if you want to put like your phone in here, or headphones, or whatever you like to have here, this is like a decent side pouch that you can use for such things. Then we have the seat itself. You can see it's very cushioning, a very comfortable seat here for sure, and yeah, very nice. The form as well, as you can see here, has a bit of like this form here, nice to sit with this wings that help protect you not falling off as well. It's a very wide chair as well, so very comfortable sitting here for your longer gaming session or coding session or whatever you are doing on a chair. Then we have here the DouxLife kind of pillowcase with a USB cable coming out of it. Like I said, this one here you can attach to a power output there. Has a decent long cable as well, and you have then the possibility to turn it on and off with this little button there, and then it will give you a nice massage on your back. It's also the right size there, right position for my bag as well. If you need to make it longer, the cable, or you don't want it, what you can do, which is also very clever, you can just unplug the USB part with the controller here, and you can hide this in the bag here. There's a zipper, you can hide it there if you don't need it. But yeah, if you have it, why not using it? Another clever thing that I showed you already is this. If you can pull it out here and then have like even a leg rest as well that is cleverly hidden. It's also quite cushioning here. Very soft material here, also premium made material. The only thing that I noticed is it's a bit like wobbly here in this case, but it has to be as well, because sometimes your leg lie on this and they don't want to lie like this, they want to lie like this more. So this is the possibility that you have with this one here as well. And you can easily put it back and hide it there, which is also quite nice. Let's come to the rolls here, the little wheels. You can see they're plastic wheels, but they're very, very quiet. So I never had such quiet wheels before in a chair. Probably they're more quiet ones, maybe even some rubber ones, but those here are very, very fine, and they're very, very quiet. And yeah, the whole thing is solidly built. Let's go and move around to the two handles here. One is for lifting up, so if I hold it, it will lift it up to the top. And this one is like, either you have it loose like I have right now, so I can have like the whole seat going into a vertical position, a horizontal position as well, or you want to keep it vertically, so you can press it down here. There we go. And then it will stay at this position. And yes, it is possible to lock it to a specific position, as you see here. I've locked it now, so even if I go up, the back is not coming up again. It stays at this position here when you have the lever adjusted. And yeah, this allows me to have like a nice movie session where I have like a specific position, and even if I go up to get like something to drink or a little bit of popcorn, then ideally I have this little bag there. I could put one in there. Interesting. Very nice indeed. Are you still here? Yeah, if you're interested in the DouxLife gaming chair, I will put down a link below. I'm using the massage function right now, and it's so relaxing. So if you're interested in this, I will put the link down below so you can check out this gaming chair and get one for yourself. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have some question regarding this gaming chair, write them down in the comment section, and until the next time, bye.